injury. He was also half carrying the gold medal. Anderson Peters, the world champion, decided to throw 88.64. So he's got 2 throws left to try and get back the lead. 2 throws left to try and get back into the gold medal position. Nadim of Pakistan then in the silver medal position with that personal best of 88 metres, 64 centimetres. Oh, that's high. Good grief. It was not coming down. Injury. He was also half carrying the gold medal. Anderson Peters, the world champion, decided to throw 88.64. So he's got 2 throws left to try and get back the lead. 2 throws left to try and get back into the gold medal position. Nadim of Pakistan then in the silver medal position with that personal best of 88 metres, 64 centimetres. Oh, that's high. Good grief. It was not coming down. Anderson Peters, he's gone, oh my days, have I got to pull out another big one in the last round here? He's coming through the system, 90 metres and 18 centimetres. It's a games record by the athlete from Pakistan and a lifetime best, over 90 metres for the first time. Wow, Tim, it was not coming down, that javelin.
You're right, and the crowd could see it. I mean, it's what's wonderful about a stadium like this is the javelin covers the entire length of the infield, and everybody gets this wonderful perspective of its arc. And the roar builds and builds and builds until it smacks into the turf. They can all really enjoy it. His elbow is hurting. He was holding it after his previous throw. But 90 metres 18 is the 3rd longest throw in the world this year. And Anderson Peters has just had the gauntlet picked up that was slapped down at his feet, and he smacked it down at the feet of the Pakistani in turn.